Hello, my name is Mike. I'm the owner of BestRugPrices.com, and today I'm doing a little video to talk about Mohawk Smartstrand carpet and to let people know a little bit about the cost of this particular product. Before I get into that, I wanted to mention a little bit about our website. I'm circling the name of our site, which is Best Rug Prices, and you can find us at BestRugPrices.com. And what you're looking at is the front page of our floor and decor blog. And as you can probably imagine from the name of our blog, we write articles about floor covering. We have articles about product reviews. We do cleaning and maintenance tips. We talk about budgeting, and we also have articles about specific strategies that you can use when you go into a store to help save you all kind of money in your flooring estimates. Our most recent article talks about Smartstrand, and we've named it the Smartstrand Carpet Cleaning Guide. But it's an article that has a lot more information in it than just cleaning tips. We really get into a lot of in-depth discussion about Smartstrand carpet, whether it's good or not, how much it costs, and all kinds of different information that that we're sharing with our viewers that a lot of the retail stores aren't going to tell you about. For example, when you buy Mohawk Smartstrand carpet, did you know that you also have to buy a vacuum cleaner? Because Mohawk, in order to keep your warranty active, you have to use a specific vacuum cleaner with the Mohawk Smartstrand carpet, and a lot of stores aren't going to tell you about that. Also, you have to have your carpets professionally cleaned by a certified cleaner, and not everybody has that certification. So those are just a couple points that we talk about in this article down here that I'm circling called Smartstrand Carpet Cleaning Guide. But it's really a great article for you if you're in the market for carpet and you're considering buying Smartstrand carpet, because you just need to know this information before you make a purchase. So I'm going to switch over real quick to the Mohawk site, and Mohawk Industries is the company that makes Smartstrand carpet, and they're one of the leading manufacturers of flooring in the country. And Smartstrand carpet is an incredibly popular uh, carpet fiber program that Mohawk offers, and it has a lot of different styles. It has Mohawk or Smartstrand Silk and Reserve and Color Max, and there's just a lot of different carpets within the Smartstrand brand. So when we get down to talking about cost of a Mohawk Smartstrand, it's almost an impossible question to answer because they have carpet styles all across the board in every price range. So, for example, if you have a rental house or an apartment where you're looking for a starter grade carpet, they have that with Smartstrand on it, and it's very popular because when you put it in applications and settings like that, you don't have to replace the carpet a lot of times every time somebody moves in and out, because the carpet wears so well that you can get more turns from your rental properties with the same carpet. Likewise, if you have $1 million home and you want something really thick and plush, Mohawk has carpet with Smartstrand that will work for you as well, and everything in between. So to answer the question of how much does Smartstrand cost, it really depends on your project that you have and what type of carpet you need to fit your project. And odds are Mohawk has a carpet for just about every type of project, so that has Smartstrand on it. So it's really not a question of how much Smartstrand costs. It's just a matter of what type of carpet that you want to pick that is a Smartstrand carpet, because their line of Smartstrand carpets is huge, and there's really carpet for every sort of project. So hope that answers your question. Again, if you are in the market for Smartstrand carpet, I flip back to our website, the Floor and Decor blog, and I'm going to put the link to this article in the description box